Then the left side of the machine. Also, we can do the same way to push down the button and lock to open the cover. And we can see this is the electronic system for Focus Alpha UV printer. And let me explain to you one by one. And first, this is the power board to supply the power to all the electronic parts. And this is the main board for machine using, and also lots of connections. And also here, the main board here, this is the optical cable, send and receive, and also some sensors. And each cable have mark, up, down, limb sensor, and flatbed limb sensor, front sensor, and they all have marks on each cables. So you can see the design, you can see the quality support international standard wire system. And this is for, this cable is used for the pump cap station system, cap station transit tube cable, and also the power port for main board, and the single cable for XYZ motors, for these three XYZ motors. X means carriage moving, Y means flatbed moving, and Z motor means that up-down moving. Okay, so this is the up-down moving motor, to control the table moving up and down. And also this is the motor driver for flatbed, and the motor driver for down. This motor driver for Y-axis for flatbed, and this is the motor driver for the flatbed up down. And then you can see here you have two connections, and these connections means for software using, and this another one used for control panels, because the flatbed we can control by two methods. One, we can control by the software computer. We can click computer up and down icons to control the table up down. And another way, we can also control by the control panel from the acrylic. For the acrylic, we can also control it by up down. So these two connections is used for different using. So if you want to use by manually, by push buttons, you can use this way. And if you want to use by software for more convenience, you can also connect this way. So normally, you just keep default is okay. And here this the single box to control the flatbed up and down. And also the down limit sensor here. The down limit sensor when the flatbed moving down, and will be detected by this sensor, and to protect the flatbed moving down will not damage the body. And also at this side we can see there are also two ball screw, 1 and 2 ball screw to control the flatbed up and down with high precision. So this is the electronic systems, but this is only just a half electronic system for Focus Alpha UV printer. And also here we can see here 1 and 2, some two aluminum parts. This is for connect with the rotary and the marker printing palette. Also have another two at another side for connection. So this is the left side window. When we open, we can see the components and electronic systems. And also, when we're moving down here, we just have the carriage wheels to hold the machine for safety. So must pay attention to that. If you are not strong enough to hold the machine, it's better to hold here and here with two hands, and take 2 or 3 strong person to move the machine. One person cannot move it. It's strong and heavy. Okay, so this is the electronic system at the left side of the machine. Okay, so when we go to the left bottom of the machine, we can see the power port cable and the general power switch, and also USB cable port. So when you get a machine, you just connect the USB cable and the power cable with the machine, and it's first to keep the machine powered off, and this for power off and power on buttons.